Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a lover of all things beauty. So here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, skincare, nails, mid-size fashion, pretty much anything and everything under the sun. I am a full-time working mama in the corporate world, and I do YouTube and partner with a couple brands on the side as kind of like my side hustle. So one thing that I always talk about on my channels is I always welcome comments. When I go through and I'm sharing stuff with you and sharing my experience, it's my experience. This is what I felt or how I feel. And so I understand that products that work for me may not work for you and vice versa. So I am always welcoming comments. Make sure that you leave the comments below. If you agree with me, disagree with me, the only thing I ask is we be respectful, obviously. But I am excited because I'm doing my favorites. I think this is, I have like lipstick on my teeth. I haven't worn this lipstick in a long time. This is the Maybelline Vinyl Lips and the color Capri, I don't know. I'll put it up here. But really, really pretty color. But I'm like, oh my gosh, it's been a while since I've worn this color. And it's still kind of tacky and driving down. But anyways, really excited because I'm going through my recent favorites. So these are products that I've used up probably within the last quarter. So there's going to be a lot of repetition. The one thing that I just want to start right off the bat, if you are new to my channel, is I try to use up products. Like I am no longer where I'm doing like buying a whole bunch of products and I'm constantly jumping from thing to thing. I'm trying to be consistent with the products I use, find stuff that works and then use it for a while. Because what I found was when I was jumping from thing to thing, my skin was horrible. I didn't feel good and I couldn't really figure out what was working and what wasn't. So I've got some really, really good stuff in here that I think are really great that I will let you know if I'm going to be repurchasing them, why I'm going to be repurchasing them, who I would recommend them for, all that jazz. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm going to break this up in sections and I'm going to try not to talk a lot. I may have to break this video up into different portions if I feel like it's too long. So it's going to be kind of rapid fire, but if you need any more information, hit me up on Instagram, DM me, because that is the best way to get a hold of me, or email me. If you leave a comment on my YouTube channel, sometimes the comments get lost in everything else and I'm a little bit delayed on getting back to them. So email me or DM me via Instagram and you can get a really quick answer. So first category is going to be more beauty related, more makeup related. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Seint brush cleaner. I absolutely love this brush cleaner. So I have tried several brush cleaners on the market. I was holding out on this one because I was like, okay, it's a brush cleaner. Like there's nothing crazy about that. I was shook when I purchased this. But right here, you can see the video of me cleaning my brushes. It is a spot treatment. So it's going to not super deep clean it, but if you do them every single day, you can go longer between washing your brushes, like deep cleaning them, but it gets the makeup off. It doesn't irritate your skin. The only thing I would say is a little bit overwhelming with this one is it is a overwhelming scent. So like when I spray it, I kind of spray it away because it will literally take your breath away. But hands down, the best brush cleaner that I have ever tried. And I would highly, highly recommend it to anybody who uses makeup brushes. It's really, really good. The next thing, I've talked about this before. This is the City Beauty Beyond Mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara in the whole entire world. And I know that's like big saying that. I'm actually not wearing it today. This is the second one. This is the empty one. This is the second one. But this one to me is hands down my favorite because if you want big, thick, bold looking lashes, if you want to look like you're wearing falsies without actually wearing falsies, this is going to be it. Not only that, it also has a serum that's supposed to help grow your lashes. Now, I don't know honestly how well it works because I use a actual serum, like a separate serum that before I purchased this, I knew that serum works. So I don't know how much this is actually growing my lashes and all that stuff, but hands down, my favorite mascara. Okay, so next we're gonna go into skincare. So these are products that I've used up that I will let you know. So the first one, just because I have a lot of it, is the Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. I literally, just because I no longer sell Mary Kay, let me show you so you know, just went and picked up a brand new one because I absolutely love this stuff. This is hands down my favorite way to remove my eye makeup. You can see here, you mix it up and it just gets all glorious. It is super, super affordable, but you do have to go through a Mary Kay rep. There are reps out there that won't hound you. I promise you that. Or you can purchase on via website if you don't have anybody local. I have somebody, I literally after church went to go pick it up. Everything's great. But you can see here, this is how much I love it. I use it every single night to take away my makeup. Now, I do not use waterproof mascara, but this does work for waterproof. I can't personally attest to it because I don't use waterproof mascara. But if you don't use waterproof, I can 100% say this is the best eye makeup remover on the market. Love it, love it, love it. And the next thing is I'm gonna say this wrong, everybody always corrects me, Monat. I say Monat, it's Monat, I think is what it's called, but that just sounds to me. I like that Monet. I think I was calling it Monet for a while because I was like, oh, that sounds so French and fabulous, but it's not that. But this is the Skin Revitalizing Essence Refining Water Treatment. So this is kind of like a toner. I really, really like this stuff. I'm currently using the e.l.f. one and it's okay, but this stuff was really, really good. I am a brand partner with this company, and I'm not just saying that because I really, really like it, or because I want to make money or whatever. I honestly really, really like that. As soon as I am done with the e.l.f. one, because I purchased that a long time ago, and I'm trying to go through my stuff to use up the stuff instead of saving money because we're all hurting, you know, from inflation, all that stuff. But once I use up the e.l.f. one, I will be repurchasing this one because I think it's amazing. Next is the Mary Kay Time Wise Repair Day Cream. So long story short, this, I used it up. I will not be repurchasing this, not because it's not a great product. It just is no longer doing what I need it to do for my skin. I think because I've been using it for at least 2 years now, I no longer am seeing the differences. Like my skin is just like there, but I want to take it to the next level. And I don't feel like this line will do that for me. But if you are somebody who has never been into skincare, you are just starting out, or you're just getting into your 30s and you're starting to see like that aging stuff, this hands down is a great starter, in my opinion, starter skincare for that. Now, I wouldn't have necessarily done this in my 20s. I wouldn't have my daughter use it or anything like that. But in my early 30s, I would 100% have stepped onto this bandwagon. Now I will be 40 this year. So but I do think that this is a great skincare line. Basic though, like I need that next level up, and Mary Kay just can't give it to me. Next is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Intense Hydration Skin Protectant. So I love First Aid Beauty. Every single product they have tried, like it works with my skin. I have very sensitive skin and it works. So if you're somebody who struggles with sensitivity on your skin, definitely give this brand a try, because I do feel like all their products are geared towards people with sensitive skin. This one is okay. It's a very, very thick moisturizer, which I absolutely love in the wintertime. I absolutely love it at nighttime, but I just don't feel like it was everything that I wanted. Like I don't know, I may come back to it, but I feel like there's a couple other ones that have like my eye on that I'm going to try and see if it's, you know, if I like it or not. But good intense hydration, especially if you have sensitive skin. Next is the Alastin skincare. This is the sunscreen. Absolutely love this stuff. The best sunscreen I have ever had my hands on. If I could put this all over my body, I absolutely would, but it's way too expensive. It is the most expensive sunscreen that I've ever purchased, but it's the best. This one is my number one because it literally feels like your face it makes your face feel like a baby's butt. Like it is so soft. It was a perfect primer to go under my skincare and stuff like that, but it is stupid expensive. So I may treat myself in the future with this. Last in this category is, or almost last, is the Dr. Jart. You can't even see it. This is the cream, Ceramide cream or whatever. This is amazing, but I have found something, and I will do an updated AM skincare routine or PM skincare routine. I used to put this on, I would put my moisturizer, then the ordinary squalene oil, and then I would put this on to kind of lock it in. Now I found a product that I do no longer need the squalene oil and this. It is good if you want something to like protect your skin barrier. Like I could see using this if I was going to like a ski resort and wanted to put a layer on just to keep my moisturizer on so the like coldness didn't get to it. This is a great thing. It's literally a moisture retention shield. So it keeps everything in, keeps all the bad stuff out, so it's great, but I just don't need it anymore, if that makes sense. Last two are lash serums. So this is the Hello Lash Therapy. This is the lash serum that literally changed my lashes. So I used to have very short, puny, very translucent lashes. Then I went to lash extensions. Then I went to DIY extensions. And then I found this, started using it, and within a couple months, I noticed a complete transformation. They are so much longer than they were, and I don't feel like I need to have lash extensions anymore, do the DIY lashes. It is not a cheap product, but this little tube will last you for 6 months, and it actually works, and it doesn't irritate your eyes. It's really, really good. The other one is from Monat. This is the Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. This one did not work on my lashes, but I actually use this one on my brows, and I really, really like it. So you may be wondering, like, why do you want your brows to grow? Because I have no brow hair. That's essentially it. So it helps to keep those brow hairs in place so I don't lose any brow hair, which you do end up losing brow hair. Like it's just inevitable, but it keeps it in place and makes it thicker. It has darkened those those eyebrows up just a little bit, which is good because they're literally baby like white. Okay, so the next category is going to be more lifestyle, like health lifestyle stuff. So the first product is this U Beauty Purple Tea. I don't even know what it's officially called. TrmFit. So this is probably 3 months, so the quarter or whatever. So I do one a month. This stuff is amazing. So I ran out of it, and I went like this past week, 5 days without this stuff because I ran out of it, and I was dragging, and I was hungry all the time, and I was tired. Day one of using this, and I'm like, hey people, I'm back. And I think that's also why my stomach or like my appetite is suppressed because of this stuff. So it's got purple tea in it. It's supposed to burn fat, control appetite, increase energy, and love how you feel. Yes, 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 yes. I can attest to it. Again, not an affordable product, but I love it. I will drink this in the morning for my like pre-workout. It tastes delicious. It tastes like a grape Kool-Aid or grape Kool-Aid, and it's got caffeine in it. I think it's got like 130 milligrams of caffeine, but it's derived from this tea. So it's a cleaner resource, and it does not give me the jitters. That type of caffeine, like that amount of caffeine usually would give me the jitters. 130 milligrams of caffeine, like that would give me the jitters if I just had one. This does not. So it's a very like clean source of caffeine. Love it, love it, love it. Next is the collagen that I used to use. This is the Modere Life Liquid Biocell. I talked about this ad nauseum on my channel and stuff like that. I still really, really like it. This one is supposed to improve joint mobility and lubrication, supports cardiovascular health, improves skin's hydration, firmness, and tone. I do note a difference when I don't use this. I probably will end up repurchasing it again. I have one collagen that I've been using because I wanted something a little bit less expensive than this one. And more travel friendly, because this one you have to keep in the refrigerator. Once you open it, it works hands down. Like just not only your hair, skin, and nails, but like when they talk about the lubrication of your joints, I ain't getting any younger. Like it's not going to get any better from here, but I do feel like this just helps me feel better at overall wealth or health. Well, wealth is health, so whatever, but not cheap, but definitely worth it. I would highly recommend it. Maybe I shouldn't do these quarterly because I have so much. So next we're going to talk about hair. This product right here, this is Monat Dry Shampoo, the Dry Shampoo. Literally the only dry shampoo I use on my hair. If you're looking for something that's clean, that's not going to give you cancer and all that stuff, but then also is going to volumize your hair, and absorb the oil, this is it. It is absolutely amazing. I've tried so many dry shampoos on the market, and since using this one, I do not use anything else. The only disappointment is they do not have it in a travel size, because otherwise I would travel with it. The travel one that I use is living proof, and it always uses a white, or leaves a white cast in my hair. This does not, and I really, really like it. Or like where you go like this and you can see like the chunks. This has never done that to me. Next is the IR Clinical Conditioner. I love this stuff. So this is supposed to help, it's a thickening conditioner, help reduce hair loss. So it helps reduce hair shed, thus making your hair look thinner or thicker and more volumized and all that stuff. Love, love, love this stuff. I alternate between this and this one right here, which is, well, this one's a separate one. This is another one I tried. But this one and I think it's called Revitalizing Conditioner, which is a volumizing. So I do have very, very fine hair, and it is also very frizzy. So I struggle with it, and this stuff has been amazing. I tried this Smoothing Anti-Frizz Deep Conditioner. Believe it or not, even though my hair is very fine, this did not weigh my hair down. I did really, really like it. And then this is the Volumizing Revive Shampoo. I will leave a hair quiz below in case you want to check these products out. I can recommend personalized products for you depending on your hair goals. So if you're trying to grow your hair out, if you're trying to get thickening, if you have curls and you want to manage them, all that stuff, we have something for everybody. And this has literally changed, I hate to say changed my life because that sounds dramatic, but I used to be incredibly greasy, have a greasy scalp. I would have to wash my hair every single day because my hair was just too greasy to manage. There was no amount of dry shampoo on this world that was soaked up the greasiness. And I started out with this one, the Volumizing Revive Shampoo is this, and the conditioner that I started out with. I went from washing my hair every single day, I had to because it was so greasy, to now I'm on day 4. Like I wash my hair every 4 days. Trying to get to day 5, it's been a struggle or whatever. I think day 4 may be my max, but went from having to wash my hair every day to now day 4. So if you're like, I can't do it or whatever, I promise you these products are gonna change your life, but you have to be committed and you have to do them consistently and do all this stuff. So if you have oily scalp, hit me up. I will let you know some tips and tricks of how to train your scalp to get where you don't have to wash your hair every single day. So that's it. I feel like I was like rapid fire, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you tried any of these products. If you have any questions, like I said, email me or DM me on Instagram. That's the quickest way. I will leave all the information below. Please leave your comments if you agree, disagree, like this stuff, don't like this stuff, have any recommendations. But until next time, bye.